Got him a real big piece. He manhandling it. Ah! Check him out. He had the whole thing in his beak, sitting there holding it. It's probably getting cold on them feet. It's getting cold on them feet, probably. That's what you get for stealing a big old piece of ice out of the cup. Them feet got cold. Foot got cold. It's gonna stick to your tongue, Popeye. Oh my God, this bird is so entertaining. That foot get cold. Oh my goodness. You are silly. He's sitting there flicking it back and forth. And give that foot time to warm up. He wrote, oh, he dropped it. Uh-oh. Couldn't handle it no more, huh?